All right, guys. So I am going to draw for the gift card. For any of y'all that don't have any zeros, you are entered into the gift card. So there are, I think, 318 of us that, yep, there we go. 318 people that have done well enough and have gotten all of their zeros taken care of. So the way this is going to work is I am going to give you a random number, and it's going to be a random decimal number. And whoever has the smallest decimal number is going to be the winner of the gift card. So just going to copy and paste this whole formula in here so you can see everybody has a random number. Make sure that they stick. Alrighty, so you can see there that everybody just got the random number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhide this column and it's going to show us the rank. So what we're looking for is the lowest number. So our rank is going to show us the lowest number. So let's just sort here. So our number one winner is Valeria C. So I will be sending you an email, Valeria, and you got to let me know. So I do have to hear from the winner in order for you to get the gift card. So I'll be sending you an email, and if I don't hear back from you within 48 hours, then I will do the drawing again. Thank you, guys.